Alright, well, we're back at the property. Oh my God, what a freaking day. That boy is working hard. He is working hard to get us here. I'm proud of him. Eventually, all this debris that's been cleaned up from the property is going to be taken off, but he's just got everything piled up right now. It's an eyesore, believe me. I don't like it, but ain't nothing I can do about it. Oh, I'm really glad that he has a fire because it's freaking cold out here. My Louisiana blood is freezing me to death. Callie, where you at? Yeah. Get your butt over here. Hey, here I am over here. Oh. You alright? You alright? So, yeah. My Callie girl is limping. Don't run over my dog, Josh. We bought that, and yeah, I don't know, it's broke or bent or something. Or you want me to move out of the way? Nice. So he's trying to get two spots, which to me it looks pretty stinking level, right? The spots for the campers, we're trying to get them level, so are fairly level. This one on this side doesn't have to be perfectly level, you know, but it needs to be level enough to, like, I won't have a jacked up camper. So we're not professional by any means, but like, we're doing the best we can. I think we're doing pretty damn good. If it wasn't for Josh, he's doing the things. You all right? We'll get you a place over here by the fire to sit. So from there over to there is the spot for the campers, right? Like my camper over here and Josh's camper over here, and there will be a space in between to put the cabin that we're going to build. It will be joined to the two campers. I have a big fifth wheel camper, and Josh has a camper. It's not fifth wheel, but it's big, right? His has got, what, two or three? Two slide outs. Or three, I can't remember. Dang it. Anyway, mine has a big slide out on it. And so that will be the living spaces. And then the little cabin thing that we get to go in between them will be like the community area. Yeah, I know. So I had her trying to get her up in the excursion, and she fell and almost broke her back leg. Her leg got caught in the step thing on the side of the excursion, and because it's not a solid step, it's like a round pipe that connects to the side of the excursion. Anyway, so she was trying to jump up in the excursion, and she slipped and fell back, and her leg went in between the bar that you step on and the truck body, and she fell back and her leg was caught. It scared me to death. Yeah, so she's limping, but it's not broken. But yeah, it scared me pretty bad. So this is where we're at. I'm gonna go over here and check this fire, because we're gonna be roasting hot dogs on this bad boy. Oh yeah, needs some work. Let me get on that. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, so I fixed the fire. And Mr. Josh is going to get we're going to roast some hot dogs over here for lunch. Late lunch, early dinner. Yeah. And we got the fire monitor. She's testing the temperature. So this is the scoop thing that we got to help Josh. And do you see that front end right there? That's not supposed to be bent down like that. It's supposed to be straight. Yeah. So it's history. It's a lawn ornament. That's what it is. Yeah. So he's keeping on with the keeping on, trying to get that spot over there level for one camper. But I mean, I like it. It's level. So he's trying to get that spot level so that camper will not be hiked up and all that. And then we get that spot ready, we can be here instead of, you know, in an RV park. Yeah. So I just love it. I just love it. We got debris everywhere, right? Look at her. Poor honeydew. Her's limping. This big pile of debris has got to be moved or burned or something. Because, as you can see, other campers are over there. The camo camper is storage, and the mallard camper is the small camper that I brought to Tennessee, and I've since then got a bigger one, a humongous one. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some hot dogs and see if I can't roast this boy a hot dog, because he said he's hangry. It's coming together slowly but surely. Callie said, where's hers? Callie said, where's her hot dog? So I'm real glad Josh has this fire going in this wood heater, because his mama's starting to get cold. Anyway, yeah. So I got him fed a couple hot dogs, and it's starting to get chilly out here. So he's adjusting on his what do you call that thing? The back of the tractor? Not a bucket. I don't know. Whatever it is. Anyway, let me show you. Yeah, so me and Kelly is hanging out by the fire, trying to stay warm, or we're gonna go pile up in the vehicle. He's adjusting on something. Pretty cool. He's doing a good job. So I had to move over here because the smoke from the chimney. So they say smoke follows beauty, right? Oh my God, whatever. Anyway, yep, he's still working. Callie is enjoying the heat. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're gonna get here eventually, and we can, do the other things out here. But we gotta have a place to, I call it a place to lay down at night. Yeah, and a place to work from, because, as much as we do, the bills still come, right? So, I may not can do a lot physically, but I'm doing all I can to support him, to help him help me, and yeah, it's campfire look. Yep. But yeah, you don't find a lot of folks that want to get out here in the mud and work. You know, they want it brought to them and fixed up real nice and pretty, and nobody wants to put the time and effort into it. So, you know, sometimes I feel like it's just us against the world. Yep. There's a tree there. You might want to not run over the tree, crazy boy. Let me show you. Oh my God. Yeah. Ride him, cowboy. There's a root over there that's catching him. I think that's what tore up his scoop bucket thing. That's called, you can't figure out how to get it out of there. Yep. So, anyway, that's what we're doing today. I'm staying nice and warm and cozy by this fire because it's cold out here. Dang it. And the later it gets, the colder you feel the temperature dropping. Yeah. So, anyway, thanks for following along, and that's all I got. So, until next time, I'll see you later.